So hi, my name is Marcos Acosta.
My name is Joaquin Corici.
In this video, we will be predicting how many points Anthony Edwards will score in Game 3 of the Western Conference semifinals. So we were supposed to make this video on LeBron James, but he was eliminated in the playoffs by the Nuggets, so we didn't think it'd be the best idea to have it on a player that's already out, because we already know what he would score, so it wouldn't make it as exciting.
So first, we had to find Anthony Edwards' stats, and unfortunately ESPN and other websites don't combine regular season and playoff season stats, so we had to do some math.
So first we had to find how many games he played in total. So there's the regular season and the playoffs. So in the regular season he played 79 games, and the playoffs he's played 6 so far, so he's played 85 games in total. So for the points, we had to find how many points he scored in both the regular season and the playoffs. So in the regular season he scored 2,049 points and 194 points in the playoffs. So we added both of those points and we got a total of 2,243 points. And then after that we divided that sum by 85 and we got 26.38, and then we rounded up to 26.4, which means he had 26.4 points per game. And we followed that same process for minutes per game, rebounds per game, assists per game, and blocks per game.
For three-point percentage and field goal percentage, we added the total attempts in both the regular seasons and playoffs and divided it by the number of made shots in both regular season and in playoffs. We then moved the decimal 2 places to the right. For example, we found that Anthony Edwards attempted 532 three-pointers in the regular seasons and 43 in the playoffs. In total, he attempted 575 three-pointers. We then found that he made 190 three-pointers in the regular season and 18 in the playoffs, for a total of 208 three-pointers. We then divided 208 by 575 and got 0.3617. We then rounded to 36.2. We repeated the same procedure for field goal percentage and field throw percentage.
So we had the statistics, but we needed a way to use it so we could predict how many points he would actually score. So we did a lot of research, but a lot of the stuff we found was just, how to predict the outcome of games. Not many of them actually told us how to find the statistics that we needed. So after some research, we did find a PDF from the University of Dayton, or Dayton, however you say it. And in the PDF, they came up with an equation to predict points using models that they came up with. And the equation they gave was negative 1.01 plus 0.049 times, or parentheses, minutes per game, in parentheses, plus 4.894, parentheses, field goal percentage, and parentheses, plus 1.424, parentheses, 3-point percentage, and parentheses, plus 0.59, parentheses, free throw percentage, and parentheses, and then after that you just square root the answer to find the expected number. So we plugged our numbers in and we got an answer of 329.79, and we squared that and we got 18.2, which we rounded down to 18.
The only problem with this is that we were unsure if this was a universal equation or if we had to create our own model with our own number to get an equation. The PDF was unclear as to how they created their model, so we were unable to create our own.
So in Game 3 of the Western Conference semifinals, Anthony Edwards scored 19 points. Considering Anthony Edwards has scored 32.3 points per game in the playoffs prior to this game, do you think the model was accurate in predicting how many points he would score?